Think about the managers in your venue right now. One of them is great at execution. They get things done, no excuses. One builds deep loyalty. Staff would walk through fire for them. And one is always thinking ahead, spotting problems before they happen. And one keeps everyone in the loop, motivated and informed. None of them manages the same. And here's the thing, that's not a problem. That's actually your greatest competitive advantage. In the HOSPO Health Leaders Program, we use Gallup Clifton Strengths. And Gallup isn't a personality quiz. It's decades of research across millions of workers and leaders that tells us, with hard data, what makes leaders effective and what causes teams to disengage. The numbers are confronting. Managers account for at least 70% of the variance in employee engagement. That means the biggest single factor in whether your staff stay or leave, whether they're switched on or checked out. It's not pay and it's not hours. It's who their direct manager is. Teams led by managers who understand their own strengths see up to 72% lower attrition. That's not a small number. And in hospitality, that's the difference between surviving and not. Most hospitality leaders were promoted because they were brilliant operators, not because anyone sat down with them and said, here's how you naturally lead. Here's what your team needs from you. And here's how your style lands with different people. So they default to managing others the way they like to be managed. And it works for some people, but it alienates others, and nobody talks about it. Clifton Strengths gives you a shared language for you to understand yourself and for your management team to understand each other. It's not about framing a certificate, it's about reducing friction, assigning the right people to the right conversations and leading from what you're actually good at. Head to the HOSPO Health website downloads page and grab The Best of Me. It's a free tool designed specifically for this. Give it to your team and ask them to be really honest, and give them yours. Because when your team understands how you lead and you understand how they lead, everything gets easier. The conflict reduces, the collaboration increases, and people stop feeling like they're being managed wrong. In your next manager meeting, spend 15 minutes on one question. What does each of us do naturally well, and how are we using that? No cost, no consultant needed. Just that question, that conversation, and the willingness to listen to the answers. Understanding how you lead, not how you think you should lead, how you actually lead, is one of the highest leverage investments you can make in your business. The research is clear. Now it's your move.